In this video, I'm going to show you how to close or deactivate your Sportsbet account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so open up your Sportsbet app on your mobile device as you normally would, and look down the bottom. You got all these different options. You got home, racing, etc. Click onto more, bottom right hand corner. And now under my account, you need to scroll all the way down and look for where it says settings. So click on the settings and then scroll down again, and you need to click on deactivate account. And before you do this, they've got some important details. So if you've got any pending bets you have in your account, they will remain active. And Sportsbet balance, if you have any remaining funds in your balance or Sportsbet cash card, please contact customer service on this number. And email and alerts. So while your account is inactive, you will not receive any emails and other alerts from Sportsbet. These will cease within 40 hours of your account deactivation. So what you want to do is click on continue, and then what is your reason, and just choose a reason here. So for example, no longer interested. And then by clicking on continue, I understand that you got all these different boxes to check, and then click on continue, and you've successfully deactivated or cancelled your Sportsbet account.